Okay, so we've got the basic shape up. Next thing we're going to do is just draw in the profile here. Now, because I've drawn this here, I can actually lift a few sizes from it, which makes a lot of sense to do. So I'm going to do that and just basically mark these on the side. So it's symmetrical, so mark that point there, mark that point there. I can mark how far down it is, measure near, mark that on. And then we'll build this up as we go along. And measure into this point. Marking that. Measure on the other side, should be the same, should be symmetrical. Okay, so that then allows me to start to form this up. I need to measure down to how far down this is, because I can't use my 45 set square on there because it's isometric. So measure down there, mark that, and that allows me to build up what I need to build up. And just draw in these points. Now I could have drawn all of the profile, and obviously I've only done half of it really, so I now need to rely on sizes to build up the rest of it, but that's fair enough, that's easy enough to do. So I'm just going to look at this here and just mark a few sizes on it. We've got this distance here, this opening, which, if you look here, we've got 28 and 28 and 70 in total. The actual size isn't marked as such. So what we need to do is we have to work it out. So I mean, you can do your sums wherever you like, but it's 70 minus, well, 28 and 28 is 56. I guess you could do that in your head, but you know, you might make a mistake, so you have to make sure you get it right. So that's 14. Okay, so the height of that bit there is 14. So carefully measure 14 millimetres. Mark it. So that's the bottom of that slot there. So mark that all the way across. This bit goes in, so just mark this in. Film this in a wee bit just now. And I'm going to mark and project these points down because we're going to need them for the bottom half. Okay, and this comes down firmly, so firm that in. And same there. Now, the sizes here, we've got 15 and 15, so measure 15 here, which is to the end of that line. And then 15 on the other side, 15 to there, got a couple of points there and there. And then we've got to work out really how far up this height here is. So we know that that's 10 there, we know that that's 28 in total, if you compare it to there, it's 28 between here and here. Okay, so it's 28 in total to there. That's 10 down from there, but how far is it down from there? Because that's not level with that, so we can't use that size. So look at the overall height, and the overall height is 70. So what we need to do is just work out if that's 28 there, then we need to work out how far is it from there to there.